Another genuine, very common to see, concern, request that we hear from you guys quite a lot. I would probably put it at number 7 at the priority list, is I want less hassle, headache, maintenance, right? You know what? I'm just gonna be very simpler about it. There's a very simple way how to do it, and it's nothing smart, but it's called buying new construction kind of properties, right? So you buy something that is a year old, 2 years old, maybe 5 years old, newer property. That is a good way to mitigate against this one, right? So if this is your concern, this is primarily how we go about it. Nothing sophisticated or super creative here. It's actually interesting that this one comes hand in hand with equity from one of the builders that we work with, and they're selling us tenant occupied properties. So 3-in-1 with one of the builders I've mentioned earlier, that they're selling us below market value to the Simply Do It group, right? Newer houses, I'm talking about 2023, 2024, right? So they're 1 to 2 years old, plus tenant occupied. So you got all 3-in-1. Those things do exist. We actually have a bunch of those properties available. But I just want to show you that there are ways sometimes to check more than one thing off your list. I will say this, those properties I just mentioned from the builder below market, occupied, new, they're cash flowing nicely. I mean, they're not something, if cash flow was your thing, you probably wouldn't be interested. But when you're looking on the other things, other 3 things, those are performing very well. Cash flow is okay, it's just not amazing.